In this video, I will give you a counterintuitive idea on how to grow your profits. And that is by acquiring customers, not profits, as Jay Abram, the marketing legend, talks about in his book, Getting Everything You Can Out of All You've Got. This is a great book, time-tested strategies on growing your business, one of my favorite marketing books. You see, most businesses, they try to make profit from the first sale to the customer, and they make it too hard or too expensive for a client to make that first purchase from them. You have two options as a business owner. You can acquire customers and focus on acquiring customers, and what will happen is that you will end up having more customers, and in the long term, you will have more profits. So this is a longer term play. On the other hand, if you don't do this, you will get fewer customers and lesser profits. This is a shorter term play. If you focus on just profits but not on acquire customers, that's a short-term play. So your job as an entrepreneur is to make it extremely easy for the client to buy from you, to start using your products and services so that they will come back to you for more. You have to shift your focus from trying to make a huge profit on the first purchase a client makes to acquiring clients at break even or even loss, and knowing that you will make profits from future purchases by that client, by that customer. When you can do that, you're playing the long-term game. But when you are trying to make huge profits on the first sale, you're playing more of the short-term game. The key here is, remember, the faster you get your customers to buy from you, the more number of customers you acquire and more they will convert into longer-term repeat clients. That's where the real profit is made in long-term repeat customers. Remember, it is 20 times easier and cheaper to sell to an existing client than trying to sell to people who have never bought from you. That is really important. The goal is not to discount your products in order to get people to buy, but make it so irresistible. Make the first purchase so easy that people find it very hard to say no to. For example, here are 2,000 books. I was recently on a podcast interview where I was talking about one of our products, and then I told the audience about the deal on that product. And the podcast host asked me, he said, "Hey, dude, why do I get the feeling that you are practically giving this product away?" And here's my reply. I said, because I really am. I want to make it such an insane deal that every single person who's listening will buy this product. Now, why would I do that? Because I know that once you buy our product and use it, you will love it. And you will buy all our products as a result. So my real motivation is not to sell you just this one product. My real motivation is to acquire customers. My real motivation is to get people hooked on our products so that once they buy one of our products, they will buy everything from us. Really, that's exactly what I said. The host was kind of shocked to hear that, as in he was shocked to hear my candid response to this, but that is the truth. We're always trying to acquire customers rather than trying to acquire massive profits. And that's an important lesson in your business. Most of our front-end products like the book summary packs, the productivity book summary pack, the mental toughness pack, the entrepreneurship book summary pack, the social skills book summary pack, the marketing summary pack, they are an insane deal. And once people buy one of them, they come back to buy almost all of them. And then they buy our high performance courses, our business coaching. So it is a very streamlined machine if you think about it, because it's thought about like this is exactly what we're playing for. We're trying to acquire customers. We're not trying to go for short-term profits. Now, this is the key difference. Like this is what is the difference between front-end marketing and back-end marketing. Front-end marketing is to acquire first-time customers, and it is okay to break even on that front-end marketing. The back-end marketing is where real profits come in. That's when you sell to existing customers, and this is where you make the big money. In the book Ready, Fire, Aim, Michael Masterson talks about this idea. Let me see if I can show you the mind map of Ready, Fire, Aim and literally show you what Michael Masterson said, because one of the things he said was front-end sales, the purpose of the front-end sales is to acquire customers, and the purpose of back-end sales is to acquire profit. And he said, even though your back-end will give you your profits, focus most of your energy on the front end, or you will regret it. That's precisely Michael Masterson's words, the guy who's literally built $100 million businesses. So really important to remember, focus on your front end marketing while you're building your business. Okay, back to what Jay Abram is talking about here, or also what Michael Masterson says, which is to acquire critical mass of qualified customers. When you focus on acquiring customers, not profits, you're constantly acquiring customers. You need to acquire a critical mass of qualified customers so that now your business continues to run all by itself, because you now have customers who will keep buying from you again and again and again. Now, if this was something that was interesting, if this is something you need to deploy in your business, by the way, let me show you what Michael Masterson talks about when it comes to critical mass of qualified customers, because this is really important to understand. You have to make it such that once you acquire the critical mass of qualified customers, let's say 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 customers, that will make all of your subsequent marketing efforts extremely profitable. So you need to understand what is your critical mass of qualified customers. Once you have that, every new product you release will be successful because you have so many existing customers. So always identify, always go after that critical mass of qualified customers. Work towards it. Now, if you want to learn how to do this in your online business, if you want to learn how to build your online business, if you are a thought leader, a coach, an expert, an info product creator, YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, and if you want to learn how to acquire customers, acquire critical mass of qualified customers who pay you rather than acquire subscribers on podcasts or YouTube, because here's the truth. You can't really take your number of subscribers to the bank. The only thing you can take to the bank is the total dollar amount they're paying you. So if you want to learn how to acquire customers rather than just have vanity metrics like more downloads and more views and more subscribers and all that stuff, if you want to learn how to sell your courses, your coaching, your training on autopilot where you make money while you sleep, then you should apply for the Online Business MBA. This is my new program, group coaching program, which includes weekly mentorship and coaching directly from me. Just go to onlinebusinessmba.com and apply for the Online Business MBA, and we'll see if you're a good fit. I'm starting the Online Business MBA program very soon, so make sure to check out onlinebusinessmba.com if you want to learn how to build your online business and grow your online business. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.